Paris rain is more like the rain in Hanoi than the drizzling rain in London before. It has some thunders as well. It rains harder, and what I was thinking, like the rain in Hanoi is more passionate, and I guess here is maybe the thunder is not as loud and as passionate. So France and Paris Paris has really been in between Vietnam and the UK for me. People are warmer and more friendly in a way compared to London, but also they keep their boundaries, you know. Especially if you just know them for like a few months. And then it seems like there's liberty, but also not to the extent that you can actually say anything to anyone. Yeah, and maybe that's normal, no, because we are humans with feelings. We're not just AI to receive anything and still be understanding and accepting. It has been raining and sunny at the same time, but I haven't seen any rainbow somehow. Oh yes, that's construction. It also something in between here. So in Hanoi and in big cities in Vietnam is developing fast, and a lot of construction, which means a lot of drilling sound. And when I was here, like I think in the first month already, because the institute where I'm doing my master is also having some construction going on, and when I heard the drilling sound, I was like, yeah, the drilling is chasing me from Vietnam to here. And then I think this house, I guess they're doing something with the roof, because this summer, before some heat waves recently, but they're still working on it. So yeah, there's drilling, construction noise, and drilling on the street as well. People would just do it out in the open door. Somehow, 10 years ago when I was in England, for 5 straight years, I never heard construction noise. Somehow, I mean, I saw this kind of construction site, but I never heard any noise. I don't know if how do they put up the installation, is that the word, for the soundproof, or if they have like the kind of machines that make less noise, just more reserved, just like British. I'm not sure, but yeah. So it's raining a bit less now, which means I can open the door a bit, because before it was a bit cold and windy. And yeah, another thing which I can show better next time is that especially on a very hot day, people open all the windows. But yeah, I like the window glass in Paris because it's see-through, which means I can see what, like even just the lines of furniture and a bit of the silhouette. No, actually the real persons, my neighbors. I haven't talked to them, but yeah. It feels less lonely when I first came here 9 months ago now, especially in the winter when it starts to be dark and the neighbors put on their lights and I can see them a bit. So there you go, the thunder sounds. I also love that red roof over there because it's very much like the roof in my childhood in Hanoi when some houses still had that kind of roof, and at my grandmother's, and now it's only in some places that are still village. Yeah. It's warm. It feels like on the red roof.